So what happened? Why couldn't you successfully complete it? So what were your issues on this day?
Sure.
Well, I mean, they're recommending that you be placed on the mental health caseload. And I know there were previous hospitalizations for him. So are you current on your medications? All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1225, State versus Natasha Elizabeth Morgan.
Morgan?
Morning. Found party is announced for the record.
Megan Gallagher, State.
Michael Dwight Goins for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Natasha Elizabeth Morgan?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Are you the same Natasha Elizabeth Morgan who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 1225 for the offense of robbery on July 2nd, 2024 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
State.
2 minutes in, and you can already feel the tension. Natasha's not denying anything. She's accepting it all. But here's the real question. Is she taking responsibility or just surrendering to a system that's already decided her fate? Think about that.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Natasha Elizabeth Morgan, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, and September of 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And we leave and abandon the remainder.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4? The court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It's for court to grant the state's motion to revoke the defendant and reform from judgment to reflect a 6-year term in prison.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, probation. Was there any restitution to the complainant that was due?
So, Judge.
Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Thank you, State. You may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea, and because you have the right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So what happened? Why couldn't you successfully complete it?
Well, Judge Boyd, just be honest with you. I couldn't do it no more. I didn't have an address. I just gave up.
All you had to do was come in here and talk to me or either call probation.
No, I thought about it.
Yeah. All right. Well, good luck to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I be excused, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
Have a seat.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007841, State versus Dartanian Reason. Could I have parties approach and announce for the record?
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
I'm so sorry. How do you pronounce your first name?
D'Artagnan, like the Three Musketeers.
Okay, Dartanian Reason.
Yes,
See that moment of levity? It's brief but powerful. Even in a courtroom full of rules, a little humanity breaks through. The judge isn't just dealing with cases, she's dealing with people. And every word here could decide a life's direction.
Your
Yes.
Honor. I still have yet to watch the movie.
Oh, you need to watch the movie.
I think I'll read the book.
Okay. All right, we're here for sentencing. You entered a plea on September 9th. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 20245. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We think the PSI speaks for itself. He has had some issues, but he did take full responsibility. He knows he could have done things differently, and we pray that the court follows the plea agreement.
All right, anything from the state?
No, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. All right, so what were your issues on this day?
Not too sure.
Well, I mean, they're recommending that you be placed on the mental health caseload. And I know there were previous hospitalizations for him. So are you current on your medications?
For severe ADHD.
I'm sorry?
No, not for the severe ADHD. I have some from college when the doctor prescribed some left over, but I don't take it on a daily.
Okay, when's the last time you saw a doctor?
Since I came here to college, put myself through college, I haven't been able to get health care really.
Okay. Because it seems to the court, and correct me if I'm wrong, counsel, that there is mental health issues according to the PSI report.
Yeah, according to the PSI, Your Honor. Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't mean.
No. So he needs to figure out how to obtain his medications, because otherwise there may be issues for him. And it appears that part of the reasons for this happening, and the reason I'm assuming the state offered him deferred adjudication, is because of mental health issues.
Yes, Your Honor. And the PSI, I believe, addresses the Genesis program. I also conferred with probation as it relates to kind of the ins and outs of that program.
Mhm.
And I'd also discussed that with Mr. Reason, anticipating that the court would probably pick up on that. And so we don't have any objections if the court were to order him into that caseload, Judge.
All right. And are you living by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I just got my first apartment.
Okay. And do you have any family support here or no?
I came to Texas in 2018 and put myself through college and leave Detroit, and I've just been doing life on my own since, trying my best.
Okay. Ms. Abrams, what do you suggest? We have some mental health issues and he's not on medications because he doesn't have health care. And you all are recommending the mental health caseload. Should I also refer him to Center for Healthcare Services or? Okay. All right. So what do you need from the court to be successful?
I asked the probation officers for resources to help me with like food and things like that, just to help me set myself up for success.
Okay. And
I
are
got those
you,
resources.
so you have an apartment, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do?
I am a sales associate. I used to, before this, which I'm hoping to go back to, I was a supervisor at the airport for plane refuelers.
Okay.
It's pretty fun.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. That will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Taking consideration 2025 PF 20245. 4 years deferred adjudication. 200 hours of community service restitution. No possession or ownership of any animals. The mixed caseload. Field visits one time per month for 6 months. Probation. Is there anything else that's recommended?
Deferred.
All right, when you see probation, you need to make sure that they know that you need to seek help with Center for Healthcare Services.
Sure.
And I know they'll do it, but sometimes people forget,
Yeah,
sometimes things fall through the crack. And how do you spell your last name?
Reason, Reason.
All right, so the record will reflect that the last name is spelled Reason, not Reeson. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and
Yes.
sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.